Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the outdoor haven of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of constant mowing, thirsty lawns, and high-maintenance flower beds? Today we are diving deep into one of the most versatile and stylish trends in outdoor design, the gravel garden landscape. We'll explore what they are, why they are a game-changer for your home, and look at 10 stunning inspirations to help you start your own project. At its core, a gravel garden landscape is a type of dry garden that replaces traditional lawn or mulch with various types of crushed stone, pebbles, or pea shingle. Unlike a simple driveway, a gravel garden is a thoughtfully designed ecosystem where plants are grown directly through the gravel layer into the soil beneath. It is a Mediterranean-inspired approach that prioritizes drainage, texture, and a harmonious blend of inorganic stone and organic life. It's not just about dumping rocks. It's about creating a curated, permeable surface that feels both structured and natural. Choosing a gravel landscape offers a multitude of practical and aesthetic rewards that go far beyond just looking modern. One of the most significant benefits is its incredible low-maintenance nature. Because the gravel acts as a heavy mulch, it suppresses weed growth and eliminates the need for mowing or edging. Additionally, gravel gardens are exceptionally drought-tolerant and eco-friendly, as the permeable surface allows rainwater to soak directly back into the ground rather than running off into storm drains. This makes it an ideal solution for areas with water restrictions or poor soil drainage. Furthermore, gravel provides a neutral, high-contrast backdrop that makes the colors and textures of your plants pop, giving your garden a professional, designer look year-round, regardless of the season. Creating a beautiful gravel garden requires a strategic play on contrast and layers to prevent the space from looking flat. Start by mixing different sizes and colors of stone, using larger boulders or feature rocks to create focal points while using smaller pea gravel for walking paths. Incorporate hardscaping elements like weathered wooden sleepers, sleek concrete pavers, or corten steel edging to define different zones within the garden. You can also introduce height and movement by adding decorative elements such as minimalist water features, architectural sculptures, or oversized terracotta pots. Lighting plays a crucial role as well. Well-placed ground spotlights can cast dramatic shadows through ornamental grasses, turning your gravel garden into an ethereal retreat after the sun goes down. The key to a successful gravel garden is selecting plants that thrive in well-drained, lean conditions. Mediterranean herbs like lavender, rosemary, and thyme are perfect because they love the heat reflected off the stones and release incredible scents when brushed against. For structural interest, ornamental grasses such as Stipa tenuissima, Mexican feathergrass, or blue fescue offer a soft, swaying contrast to the hard gravel. Succulents like agave, sedum, and sempervivum provide unique geometric shapes and require almost no water once established. If you want a splash of color, drought-resistant perennials like sea holly, eryngium, purple coneflower, echinacea, and Verbena bonariensis are excellent choices that will attract pollinators while maintaining that rugged, effortless beauty. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best gravel garden landscape ideas to spark your creativity. One Mediterranean fire pit retreat, a social-focused layout featuring light-colored shingle, and a rustic stone-lined fire pit. Surrounded by tropical palms and sharp agave plants, this design uses weathered wooden Adirondack chairs to create a vacation-like atmosphere right in the backyard. 2. The sleek architectural courtyard. Perfect for modern homes, this garden uses fine white gravel to brighten a shaded area. It features a rusted corten steel water table as a central element, complemented by purple alliums and architectural chairs that invite you to sit and enjoy the minimalist aesthetic. 3. English Cottage Gravel Path. This look blends the structure of a gravel garden with the softness of a cottage style. Raised wooden planters filled with lavender and sage line a wide, creamy-toned gravel walkway, leading toward a charming timber-clad barn or outbuilding. 4. Wildflower and Gravel Intersection. A more naturalistic approach where a central gravel clearing features a single large dark planter. The surrounding area is densely packed with low-growing shrubs and perennials, showing how gravel can act as a breathing space within a lush, busy garden. 5. Formal Fountain Courtyard. Symmetry is the star here, with a central stone fountain surrounded by a circular gravel path. 2 massive borders of bright yellow black-eyed Susans Rudbeckia frame the view, demonstrating how gravel can support a very grand and formal garden structure. 6. Circular lawn and gravel integration. For those who aren't ready to give up their grass entirely, this idea features a perfect emerald green circular lawn island surrounded by a wide gravel moat. It uses cobble edging to keep the two materials distinct, offering a clean and organized look. 7. The geometric grass walkway. This design focuses on long, linear concrete planks embedded in fine gray gravel. Tufted ornamental grasses are planted strategically between the path and the house, creating a soft, blurred boundary between the architecture and the natural landscape. 8. The cozy eclectic nook. This intimate space uses mixed-colored river stones to create a floor for a bistro set. Tall, flowering perennials like lupins and foxgloves create a sense of enclosure, proving that gravel gardens can feel incredibly lush and private. 9. The xeriscaped front yard. A great curb appeal booster that uses two-toned gravel, light gray and terracotta red, separated by a curved masonry border. This maintenance-free design uses a large hero evergreen tree and accent boulders to create a clean, professional look without a blade of grass. 10. The modern Zen oasis. This design features a striking contrast between dark basalt gravel and oversized, rectangular white pavers arranged in a contemporary offset pattern. A central Japanese maple provides a vibrant green focal point, showing how minimalism can create a high-impact, sophisticated entryway or courtyard. A gravel garden is more than just a landscaping choice. It's a lifestyle shift toward sustainability and effortless beauty. Whether you want a sharp, modern courtyard or a soft, flower-filled retreat, gravel provides the perfect foundation to let your creativity grow. By focusing on texture, drainage, and the right plant palette, you can create an outdoor space that looks stunning in every season with a fraction of the work. If you enjoyed these gravel garden inspirations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly landscaping tips. Which of the 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your garden projects. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!